These are his glasses. And, just my little memorial to him.
Patty Dorenzo spent years and thousands of dollars trying to get treatment for her son's heroin addiction. Over and over again, Salvador Marchese was denied admission to inpatient facilities because insurance wouldn't cover it and Dorenzo couldn't afford it. Visits to the emergency room became routine. When he finally got into a rehab program paid for by the county, he was discharged 17 days later when funding ran out. Months later, the 26-year-old was found in his mother's car, dead of an overdose.
So if you think about it and you take all those visits, they probably could have gave him treatment for a year or for 6 months. And instead they just kept releasing him and never gave him the chance.
Unlike alcohol withdrawals, which can cause life-threatening seizures, heroin withdrawals aren't considered deadly, so insurance rarely pays for inpatient detox. It's a distinction Nora Milligan has battled against for the last 7 years. Her son, too, is a heroin addict.
He had health insurance and he couldn't access it. I had health insurance, I had great health insurance, and I couldn't access benefits to take care of him. So financially, it crushed me.
Milligan went bankrupt. Her house is in foreclosure. 2 side effects all too familiar to a growing number of addicts and their families. Tom McClellan, the former deputy drug czar, says it's not in the financial interest of insurance companies to cover inpatient treatment.
Recovery is the expectable result of good addiction care, but it's not being provided to most people.
The National Trade Association, that represents the health insurance industry, defended the industry, saying, health insurers rely on evidence-based standards of care that look at what is the right level of coverage, the right side of coverage, and the right combination of treatments. McClellan says the Affordable Care Act should improve treatment for heroin addicts, but it could take years for insurance companies to fully comply. Years that Milligan says families like hers can't afford to wait. She's helping lead an effort in New York to put coverage decisions in the hands of doctors. Something Dorenzo feels can help save lives.
And that's it.
David Martin, Associated Press.